Now we introduce how to replace the erasures. First, we have to unscrew the metal cover. Then remove the cover. As you can see, the cover is held in place by metal cover at the top and magnets at the sides. When you remove the cover, be careful not to pull the magnets out at the same time. Then unscrew the plastic knob on the side. Remove the erasures in order. As the video shows, you can remove the erasures by pressing the button of it. Now we are going to add the filling solution. The erasures filling solution for unselected erasures. The refill solution for reference erasures. Now we will show you how to add the erasures solution. Unscrew the cap. Add filling solution to over metal contact around 2/3, no more than 3/4. Screw the cap. The other unselected erasure and the reference erasures just need to follow the same steps. But remember, the reference erasures will use another erasures solution. After replacements, replace the erasures in opposite order. Make sure both sides of the erasures are dry. Install ISE erasures one by one. Install reference erasures. Screw the plastic knob and press. Observe the erasures to make sure all erasures align with each other. Now, we completed the disassembling and installation of ISE.